Obviously it's like the tiniest possible piece of chrome that I could have added, but it still looks better than the...
What's going on YouTube? We're back again, and today we're going to be fitting some more chrome bits under the bonnet. So stay tuned. This video's more of just a time killer, but also an update. Just in the meantime while I sort some bigger stuff out. So stay tuned and let's get into it.
The Trd oil cap comes in two pieces, the oil cap itself and the sticker, which you can stick on separately, which I think is actually very good because as you turn this on, depending on models, it will set in different places. So once I screw this in place, I will stick this on so that it's facing the right way. And now we just got to get the old one off. I did quite tight to make sure that it didn't come off. Served me very well, but it's time for an upgrade. I say an upgrade, it doesn't really do anything, but it's still nice to have. Right, so comes with its own O-ring, so no need to transfer that. The mating point on there is wet with oil, so I can just screw this straight on like so. Make sure it's nice and tight, which it is. It's cool. And now I can peel back the sticker and put it on. There we are, sticker's on. Now to peel the film off so that it looks as good as can be. I somehow managed to forget to film this, but here it is with the sticker peeled off. So now I'm just gonna pan out to the whole engine bay. Obviously it's like the tiniest possible piece of chrome that I could have added, but it still looks better than the standard one that's just a little black plastic oil cap.
Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, then please like, comment and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at @thatsilveraygo, and I'll see you guys in the next video.